Renovation and construction are not only lengthy but often unpredictable processes. Mistakes in design, rework, and unforeseen expenses can turn them into a real challenge, dragging on for months. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid many of these problems, speed up the process, and save money? How did interactive design technologies transform the renovation approach for this 4,300 square foot home in Dallas? They gave the client full control over the project and provided builders with a detailed interactive model, helping them better understand the design and structural features. The project's goal was to carry out a deep renovation of the house and the surrounding area. While preserving the existing load-bearing structures, it was necessary to create an entirely new design in a Mediterranean style with an updated layout and a new interior. At the same time, the client was looking for a solution that would give him maximum control during the design and construction phases, minimize the risk of errors, and ensure a predictable outcome. With a traditional approach, a client has to rely on drawings and static visualizations, which can distort spatial perception. Typically, these images are created from the most advantageous angles and fail to convey the full depth and volume of the space. Additionally, the camera's field of view affects the sense of scale, often making small rooms appear more spacious than they actually are. All of this, combined with the inability to freely explore every corner of the project, increase the risk of mistakes and costly revisions. Decisions are made based on visualizations, but when it comes to implementation, reality may not match expectations, leading to unexpected expenses. That's why we took a fundamentally different approach. The first stage involved creating a highly detailed demolition plan to precisely determine which structures could be preserved. Next, I developed the facade reconstruction and interior design plans. After that, I began building the interactive project, a process that required a high level of detail. Every piece of furniture and interior element was modeled based on real-life placements and the client's selected materials. This ensured that the final project would match reality as closely as possible. Then came the most exciting part, developing an interactive model using Unreal Engine and pixel streaming technology, allowing the project to be accessed on any device via a web browser. To make navigating the project as intuitive as possible, I experimented with different control options. As a result, I created a user-friendly and seamless interface, enabling smooth and effortless exploration of the space. With this technology, the client had complete freedom to explore the project, viewing it from any angle, moving through the house in real time and assessing every detail with exceptional precision. This helped them gain a deeper understanding of the layout and make informed decisions much faster. Furthermore, this format gave the client an unmatched level of control over the construction process. The high-detail interactive model became the ultimate reference for contractors, eliminating ambiguity in project specifications and minimizing the risk of deviations from the approved design. As a result, the builders had fewer questions, and the client had greater confidence that everything would be executed exactly as planned. This project clearly demonstrates that an interactive approach to design and construction not only accelerates decision-making but also significantly reduces errors and unnecessary costs. With complete visual clarity, real-time control at every stage, and seamless collaboration among all participants, clients can avoid costly rework and builders can work with greater accuracy and efficiency. If you are looking for a way to simplify the design and construction process, eliminate costly mistakes and maintain full control from start to finish, an interactive approach could be the perfect solution. Find out how it can work for your project.